एक सेंटेंस नहीं लिखा है, भगवत गीता को मानो, कृष्ण को मानो, नहीं करोगे तो नरक में जाओगे, विष्णु पुराण। एक वाक्य नहीं लिखा है कि केवल भगवान विष्णु ही पूजा योग्य है, विष्णु पुराण को ही मानो, अगर नहीं मानोगे तो नरक में जाओगे, नहीं लिखा है। रामायण, देयर इज नॉट ए सिंगल सेंटेंस, यू फॉलो रामायण, you pray Lord Ram. If you will not follow Ramayana, will not pray Lord Ram, you will go to Naraka. No, not at all. Bharat have been divided in last 2000 years in 25 pieces. That every action has a reaction. Scientifically developed country like China, Singapore, Japan, are in next 25 years will become countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Bangladesh. My lord, this submission is in 3 parts, my lord. The first are the 7 questions of law, and the 7 frequently asked questions asked by your lordships, and my submission on the Sabrimala. Second part, my lord, is the relation between Article 25-26 and 29-30. The third part is, my lord, dharma and religion. Lordship's motto is the yato dharmas tato jaya, not yato sampradayo tato jaya. High Court motto is the satyameva jayate. And your lordship submission is the yato dharmas tato jaya, because dharma is above the satya. So I have dealt, my lord, in third part. My lord, just see my brief, my lord.
Please start.
Yes.
We are concentrating on you.
So as far as the, my lord, Article 25 and 26 is concerned, my lord.
Come the third part. That's better, no? Because that's a new point you are raising.
No, I will also, my lord, say, just see the constitutional oath of your lordships and constitutional oath of the ministers, union ministers, and the constitutional oath of the ministers. So lordships oath.
Whatever you want, you have asked for 10 minutes, we have granted you 5.
My lord, this is totally new, my lord. Totally new.
After 10 minutes you have asked.
Yes, my lord, definitely.
Please confine to that.
So lordship's oath is to uphold the constitution. Just see the Schedule 7. Oath of the legislature and executive is act according to the constitutions. Upholding the constitution has higher value than acting according to the constitution. Third, my lord, Bharat have been divided in last 2000 years in 25 pieces. That was not due to religious conflict between individuals. Bharat divided in 25 pieces in last 2000 years due to denomination conflicts. And in last 200 years, Bharat divided in 7 countries. Third, my lord, I have also considered that every action has a reaction. Similarly, every judgment has a ramification. Being an engineer, my lord, earlier I was an engineer. So I did the 5W analysis, the Wi-Fi analysis. What will happen if the lordships will accept my senior's argument? What will happen if not accept argument? What will the ramification? Whether in the next 25 years, we will become a united, integrated, scientifically developed country like China, Singapore, Japan, or in next 25 years, we will become countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Bangladesh. So I have all the reasons, my lord. Let me see the Article 25 and 26. Article 25 and 26 is the most restricted provision. None of the fundamental rights so restricted, my lord. Right to propagate religion has not been given in those 10 countries. From we adopted some parts. The 10 countries we have taken something from the South Africa, from Germany, etc. my lord. Even those countries have not given right to propagate not only the denomination, even to the individuals, even till date. So Article 25, subject to public order, health and morality, subject to 27, subject to 28, expressly subject to other parts of the provision. Article 26, subject to public order, health and morality, impliedly subject to other provisions, and expressly subject to 27 and 21. My submission is, my lord, 26 is the SPC, 25 is the genus. SPC cannot have the wider area than its genus. So, my lord, just see the brief. The 9 judges bench of this honorable court will not only decide the 7 questions of law, but also decide the future of the country for next 7 decades. The interpretation of Article 25-26 will decide whether we would achieve the golden goals of the Constitution and become a united, integrated, and scientifically developed nation by 2047, or a radicalized country full of superstition, black magic, delusion, and dogmas. The sui generis case of Sabrimala is not being assailed here. Is it a long-standing custom which is in consonance with public order, health, and morality, and other provisions of Part 3? I have dealt in para 22, para 32, 30.
Straight come to the point, Mr.
Yes.
There is no
Then, my lord, main argument. Just see the middle, main argument. I have considered, my lord, few points. Number 1, the dreams of the freedom fighters, the dreams of the constitution makers, the language restriction. My lord, Samvidhan is not the constitution. With utmost respect, I am saying. We don't have the proper words for Samvidhan. Samvidhan, samadhan vidhan. यानी सबके लिए समान विधान, यानी सम्यक विधान. Constitution means vidhan. Because there is a limitation. In English, we have only 26 alphabets. We have total only around 10 lakhs words. In Sanskrit, we have 52 alphabets. We have around 50 lakhs words. And that's why, my lord, Honorable Dr. Ambedkar introduced a bill in the Constituent Assembly. Please make Sanskrit as the official language of Bharat. Unfortunately, that bill will fail, my lord. So when we interpret, my lord, things in English, it become very difficult, my lord. Similarly, dharma and religion. I have not cited any previous judgment because the previous judgments are based on the assumption that dharma is religion and religion is dharma. It is totally different, my lord. My PIL is pending. Lordships have issued notice to the center also. I have requested to please introduce one chapter in primary. What is the dharma and what is religion? I have differentiated 25 differences between dharma and religion, my lord. I can summarize this. Dharma includes everyone. Religion excludes everyone. Others. Dharma unites society and religion divides society. That's why I have not cited the previous judgment, because there are assumptions on based on dharma and religion, my lord. Then, my lord, I have also considered, my lord, why this lord system came. We generally say, my lord, lordships. This came from the system of Panch Parmeshwar. Earlier we have the system of Panch Parmeshwar. 5 लोग बैठते थे, वो डिसाइड करते थे. And what was that vidhan? That was the vidhi ka vidhan. And what is the vidhi ka vidhan? That is the samyak vidhan. That is the samvidhan. So this is samvidhan is different. Unfortunately, we don't have the exact word for the samvidhan. We don't have the word for brahmacharya. We don't have the word for dharma. We don't have from word for yoga, etc. My lord. I also consider, my lord, there is, my lord, frequently said all religions are same. Not at all. Not at all. My third page is the 5 tenets of religions. I have given the 5 tenets of all the religions, my lord. Totally different. This is Ramayana. There is not a single sentence. You follow Ramayana, you pray Lord Ram. If you will not follow Ramayana, will not pray Lord Ram, you will go to Naraka. No, not at all. This is, my lord, विष्णु पुराण. एक वाक्य नहीं लिखा है कि केवल भगवान विष्णु ही पूजा योग्य है, विष्णु पुराण को ही मानो, अगर नहीं मानोगे तो नरक में जाओगे. नहीं लिखा है. ये भगवत गीता, एक सेंटेंस नहीं लिखा है, भगवत गीता को मानो, कृष्ण को मानो, नहीं करोगे तो नरक में जाओगे.
You are going beyond the subject and issue being discussed by every one of us. You said 52 alphabets in Sanskrit, one of the finest language in the world.
Yes, my lord.
Similarly,
Yes.
Tamil has 247.
Yes, my lord. Yes,
So
yes.
don't go into all those areas.
No. What I am,
Confine yourself to the point in issue.
my point is, my lord,
Yes.
if we will interpret the constitution in English, then today we have the 9 judges bench, tomorrow we have 11. No in. If we will interpret, considering it as Samvidhan, and what is the meaning, then we have different.
In Kannada, there are 52. So therefore, don't
Yes,
go
yes,
into-
yes. No. All the Indians were. Sorry.
See, all
I am
are equal.
I am sorry. I'm sorry, all the Indian language have the 52.
Don't go into
52 alphabet.
superiority in the court of law, please.
No, my last submission is, this is Durga Sapsati. एक शब्द सेंटेंस नहीं लिखा है केवल दुर्गा जी की पूजा करो, दुर्गा सप्तशती पढ़ो, नहीं तो नरक में चले जाओगे. आर्य समाज, also denomination, not a single sentence. Please follow Arya Samaj. Please follow. Very important, my lord.
Sorry,
Quit all this.
we have to stop you.
Yes.
It's not a public platform.
Interpretation.
My submission is this: dharma and religion is not same, and all religions also not same. Entire world is burning due to religious conflict. Bharat was divided in 25 countries due to denomination conflict, religious conflict. So my submission is this, my lord. Article 26 is impliedly subject to the other provisions of Part 3 of the Constitution, like the other. Now, my lord, next conclusion on Sabrimala case, my lord. There are lakhs of mosques, but the Makkah, Medina have a distinct sanctity. There are lakhs of churches, but Jerusalem church has a distinct sanctity. There are thousands of Shiv temples, but Bharat Jyotirlings have distinct sanctity, my lord. There are lakhs of goddess temple, but 51 Shaktipeeths have distinct sanctity. Thousands of Jain mandirs, but the temples made on the birthplace of the 24 Tirthankar have different sanctity, my lord. Similarly, my lord, there are 1500 Sabrimala temple, but this temple has a distinct sanctity because, no, Vice, my lord.
No, that's what you're saying.
I am saying that restriction on 10 to 50 is reasonable. So that's why I'm here, my lord. Because lordships are deciding the 7 questions of law, and I am supporting the Sabrimala case, my lord. That's why I'm this side.
Thank you.
Ma'am, just my lord, one conclusion, my lord. I'm only reading conclusion out only, my lord. So please keep in this mind, my lord. So this is my humble request.
Will go, only the religious rights will not be upheld.
No.
What have we heard?
I am saying this Article 25 and 26 is the most restricted right. Most restricted.
We understood your argument is that rest of the fundamental rights are emanating from Dharma.
Yes.
Therefore, they have wider contour.
Yes.
They have wider meaning, and they are comparatively very stronger rights as compared to very restricted
Yes,
right
sir.
in 25.
Because it was argued that Article 26 has some different island. It was said Article 25, 26 is higher than even 25.
Thank you.
I am saying no.
Thank you, Mr.
Oblige, my lord.
Thank you.
Oblige.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, Mr. Dinesh. Yes.